patience don't gathers no moss. So I'm as smooth as can be, but occasionally I acquire a peculiar thought. What our life could be if we set up shop. Everybody thinks we're a thing. Maybe it's our matching rings and the time that we kissed. I don't understand why they never think what we do is totally platonic. Like when we dance in the park in the night, go into every cinema till we find what we like. We pretend that we're husband and wife, looking for a 2-bedroom to start our new life. I guess I see why the entire party thinks we're dating. The idea's got me hyperventilating. We're dating. Maybe we should face it before I start fainting. I need mouth to mouth. Could you help me out? Yeah. Well, I used to think that loving was gross. Then came a fleet of the birds and the bees. Now I want your tongue down my throat. Potentially, I think underneath I like it when we dance